Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or decline an offer on Depop. So first of all, you need to sign in into your Depop account. Then you need to simply click on this inbox icon. Now over here, you need to click on the option of offer and you need to find the offer that you have received and open the conversation with the buyer. Now inside your mobile application, you can again select the option of inbox, then select the option of offers, and over here you can just simply take a look at the offer that you have received. Now over here, if you don't want to accept the offer, simply click on this decline button in order to reject it. This way the offer will be cancelled and the buyer won't be able to purchase the item at that particular offered price. Now if you still want to sell the item but the buyer's price is too low, you can also choose the option of counter instead. Then you can enter the price that you are willing to accept and send your counter offer to the buyer. Now to the buyer, the counter offer is going to look something like this. So if the buyer accepts it and make a purchase within 24 hours, then it is going to be a deal. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.